Let's talk about a few more probability problems here. In each probability problem, it's really hard to do one of every kind because they're all going to seem different. So we'll just kind of try to think logically here. There's a spinner with 10 equal areas numbered 1 through 10. If the spinner is spun one time, what's the probability the result is a multiple of 5, keyword or multiple of 2? So if you'll remember, whenever we have the word or, that means we're going to add. So I'm going to think about the numbers 1 through 10. It says I want to find the ones that are multiples of 5. So that would be 5 and 10. So the probability that it's a multiple of 5 is 2 out of 10. And then it says a multiple of 2. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add 5 out of 10. So the probability that it's a multiple of 5 or a multiple of 2 would be this. But the problem is I've circled the number 10 twice. I've counted it as a multiple of 5 and I've counted it as a multiple of 2. So I have to take one of those counts away. So then 2 out of 10 plus 5 out of 10 subtract 1 out of 10 would be 6 out of 10. And that makes sense because look how many I have circled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then this would reduce to 3/5. In a certain Algebra 2 class of 26 students, 10 of them play basketball, 5 of them play baseball. There are 3 students who play both sports. What's the probability that a student at random plays basketball and baseball? Okay, so we're talking about 2 things here, and I'm going to go ahead and make a table. I've got students that play baseball and no baseball. I'm going to leave a totals column. And then over here, I've got basketball and no basketball. And a totals column. So it says that 10 of them play basketball. So here's the basketball column, and the total that play basketball are 10. 5 of them play baseball. So here's baseball. The total for baseball is 5. We know that there are 26 students total, so that would go here. And we know that 3 of them play both. So this would be the column where it's both. So then I just fill in my missing numbers. I know 3 plus something makes 10, so that should be 7. 10 plus something makes 26, so that should be 16. 5 plus 21 makes 26. 3 plus 2 makes 5, and 7 plus 14 makes 21. So it says, what is the probability a student plays basketball or baseball? So basketball, there are, where is basketball? Basketball, there are 3 out of 10. No, I'm sorry. Basketball, 3 students play out of 26 students. No, I've got them both here. Let me think about this. Basketball, here we go. 10 out of 26 play basketball. Plus baseball, 5 out of 26. But I have to subtract the ones that play both, which is 3 out of 26, because I've counted them in both spaces. So this would be 15 minus 3, which is 12 out of 26, which reduces to 6/13. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize I didn't have that scooted down. So I've got a couple more problems here that I've just taken out of an ACT practice book. There are 18 jelly beans in a jar, 6 red. So if I was taking this on the ACT, I would go ahead and write that out. 6 red, 7 green, 5 purple. What is the probability that a jelly bean chosen at random is red or purple? So red jelly beans would be 6 out of the total, which is 18, plus purple is 5 out of 18. And there aren't any that are the same, red and purple, so the probability would be 11 out of 18. A couple more ACT type probability questions. Alice has 2 stacks of cards. The first stack has 5 red and 5 black. The second stack has 3 red, 4 black, and 5 blue. Alec draws 1 card at random from each stack. What's the probability that both cards are black? So with both, that means I want this to happen and this to happen. So the first one, the probability that I draw black is going to be 5 out of 10. The second stack, the probability that I draw black is 4 out of 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. So then when I multiply, I get 20 out of 120, which reduces to 1/6. Okay, the last one. An exam contains 4 questions. Each question has 5 answers. Which of the following expression gives the total number of answer choices? So how many ways can this happen? So it has 4 questions. In each question spot, I have 5 different answers I could put. So I have 5 answer choices for this spot. Now, once I pick an answer choice for this spot, it doesn't matter. I can have the same answer in this spot. So I have 5 choices for this spot, 5 for this spot, and 5 for this spot. So my answer would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 to the 4th.